DigitalNexCode's website insurance and cybersecurity solutions. How they saved Volvortex from hackers. Volvortex is a mid-sized technology company that provides software and hardware solutions to small and medium-sized businesses. They had recently launched a new website that showcased their products and services, and they were experiencing a steady increase in website traffic. However, their website was not secure, and they were concerned about the possibility of cyber attacks. To protect their website, Volvortex contacted DigitalNexCode, a cybersecurity company that specializes in website protection and insurance. DigitalNexCode conducted a thorough analysis of Volvortex's website and identified several vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. The vulnerabilities included outdated software, weak passwords, and unsecured network connections. Based on their analysis, DigitalNexCode recommended several solutions to strengthen Volvortex's website security. The solutions included updating the software, implementing strong passwords and two-factor authentication, and securing the network connections. DigitalNexCode also offered Volvortex website insurance that would protect them from any damages caused by cyber attacks. Volvortex implemented all of DigitalNexCode's recommendations and purchased their website insurance. A few months later, their website was targeted by a group of hackers who attempted to steal sensitive customer information. However, thanks to DigitalNexCode's security measures and website insurance, Volvortex was protected from any financial losses caused by the attack. The website insurance covered all of Volvortex's losses, including the cost of fixing the website and compensating customers for any damages caused by the cyber attack. DigitalNexCode also provided emergency support to Volvortex and helped them mitigate the damage caused by the attack. Thanks to DigitalNexCode's expertise and website insurance, Volvortex was able to protect their website and their customers' sensitive information. They were also able to recover quickly from the cyber attack and continue providing their products and services to their customers without any disruptions. As a result, Volvortex continues to work with DigitalNexCode to ensure that their website remains secure and protected from any future cyber attacks.